I don't know if you ever seen these things. These are on the gates, and then you have these other pieces. This is a piece that I made, and I'm going to show you how to make one. But they slide in when you get the gate, and it slides in nice and neat. This would be the gate. One gate here, one gate here. It would just slide in. So I will show you how it's made. All right. This is 1.25 inches. So piece, you're gonna go in about 3 inches. Give it a bend it towards you. Get your round piece that you're gonna use your, okay. This is basically gonna wrap around. There you go. Give me a thumbs up.